In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix your Shopify favicon not showing. The favicon is that small icon you see in the browser tab next to your store name. It helps with branding and makes your store easier to recognize, so it's frustrating when it doesn't appear. Let's walk through exactly how to set it up properly and make sure it shows. First, log into your Shopify admin and go to your main dashboard. This is the page where you see your orders, products, and sales overview. From here, look at the menu on the left-hand side and click on Online Store. This is where you manage everything related to how your store looks. Under Online Store, you'll see your Themes section. Find the theme you're currently using, then click the Customize or Edit Theme button next to it. This opens the Theme Editor, where you can adjust your store's design and settings. Inside the Theme Editor, look for the small gear icon, usually labeled as Theme Settings. Go ahead and click that. A panel will open on the side with various options for your store's appearance. In that panel, click on the Logo section. Even though we're working on the favicon, Shopify often groups this setting under Logo or Branding, so don't worry if it doesn't explicitly say favicon at first. Within the Logo settings, you should see a specific option labeled favicon. Next to it, there will be a Select button. Click on Select. This will open your file library where all your uploaded images are stored. If the image you want to use as your favicon is already in your library, simply click on it to highlight it. If it's not there yet, click on Add Files to upload a new image from your computer. A simple square image works best. Once the image has uploaded, select it. After you've chosen your favicon image, click on Done to confirm your selection. This will take you back to the theme settings with your favicon now showing in the preview. Finally, click on Save in the top right corner of the theme editor. This is important. If you don't save, your changes won't go live. If your favicon still doesn't show up immediately in the browser, clear your browser cache or open your store in an incognito window. Also make sure your favicon image is a clear, square image with appropriate dimensions, so it displays correctly across different devices